Hello, kindergartners. We're doing We Are Readers, making words match the picture. Our learning target for today's lesson is, I will make my words match the picture. All right, so we have the picture and the words. I see the cat on the mat. Did my words match the picture? Does it look right? Yes. Does it sound right? Yes. Does it make sense? Yes. Our success criteria for today's lesson is I can make sure my words match the picture by asking, does it look right? Does it sound right? Does it make sense? So does what I'm saying look right, match the picture? Does it sound right? Does it match the picture? And does it make sense? So go ahead and tell someone today's learning target and success criteria.